We're Jenny and Justin, and after spending the last week battling mosquitoes while building the driveway to our off-grid cabin, we're heading to the coast. We're truck camping in our old Ford beside a glacial river, using a fishing drone to target halibut along the coast, cooking our catch over the fire, trying a subscriber-suggested meal, and taking in some breathtaking Alaskan views. Fish on. There we go. It's a little guy, but we'll be cooking this up tonight. Well, one halibut down. Gonna see if we can get a little bit bigger one. Off to a pretty good start so far. Fart so far. Yeah, man, it is a beautiful day today. It's a little bit hot though, because I'm not used to this sun. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a lot of kayaks and boats. There's a bunch of kayaks out there. And over here, a lot of people shore fishing just like us there.
You know what's not here? Mosquitoes.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Little baby sea urchin there. All right. Let's go.
Fish on, baby. Oh.
I just freaking sheared it on a rock.
Oh man. What's left?
Bad.
Oh man.
Man, it's not stinging or anything? Yeah.
I think it's a subspecies of guy fish.
So there's our steak for tonight. Dessert steak. There it is. Just joking. Do not judge here. I have not filleted one of these in quite a while. Go.
Good job, babe.
Time for dessert. We'll headed back to get the truck and head to camp. Man, what a shame to lose that one at the end there. But we did get a halibut. My fingers are awfully pink here. We did get a halibut and we're gonna be cooking that up for dessert after today's dinner over the fire. Look at the spot we just found. Time to set up the truck tent.
Today, we're going to be using the Napier truck tent. We're not sponsored or anything, but we actually really enjoy this tent. We use this in our driving through Canada trip. If you haven't seen that video, you should check it out. If you guys want any tips on how to get this luscious hairdo, just go into the woods for a few days. Time to turn this 30-year-old truck into a home.
Use you.
Whoops. Ooh, static. Holy cow. Can you throw me the pillow? Anyways. If you guys need something to be domesticated, give me a call. I can hook you up.
All right, we've got old Red set up with our new living quarters, and look at the view here. Absolutely amazing.
Time for a spin. How you doing?
It is hotter than a popcorn fart today, and we're cooking over the fire. The things we will do for food, for really good food, we know no bounds when it comes to that. We'll sweat, we'll cry, we'll cut ourselves on accident, but tonight's gonna be a special one. Real good. It's gonna be a really good one. Well, after catching that massive halibut, I have worked up an appetite. I know Jenny has too, so it's time to cook some food.
Welcome to Creekside Cooking with Jenny. Today we are doing another subscriber suggested meal. We're doing tomahawk steak and from scratch macaroni and cheese. This is a subscriber suggested meal from Scurvy Punk. Thank you so much. This is going to be good. Time to make a roux. Let get some butter going. There's nothing like cooking over a hot fire when it's hot outside.
Yeah, it's my favorite thing to do.
I am so ready for this winter. Speaking of, we have a bunch of hardcore winter camping planned for this year, so make sure to subscribe so you can come along with us and watch us be miserable.
Yeah, suffer with us.
Suffer with us. Got some flour in here. I've got some of nature's finest garlic, onion powder. There's a little bit of salt in here, not too much. All right, let's see if this is thick enough. Oh yeah, time to get cheesy in here. So we got cheddar, we got mozzarella, and we got Colby up in here. So.
Oh, that's some cheesy goodness. Oh my goodness.
We're gonna top this bad boy with some panko.
Hot. Whew. These gloves are not made for this. Keeping away from that fire. fire, if you know what I mean. I'm not a fan of fire in the heat, but I am a fan of tomahawk steak, and that's exactly what we're gonna be doing here. It'll all be worth it. Every singed. Oh, can you see that? Probably not. We've got our steak laid out on a garbage bag because we're fancy like that. Generously salt and pepper this bad boy. Salt. All right. Ready to cook. Got a piping hot fire here, of course. Throw that bad boy on there. Like so. Oh, man. I think since we caught a halibut, we should add a little surf to this turf, if you know what I mean. Surf, turf, and macaroni and cheese. Oh yeah. Oh, some ooey gooey goodness right there. Oh man. Yeah.
Yeah, surf, turf, and nurdles.
That's right. Nurdle. It works.
It goes.
I'm gonna try some of the halibut first. Fresh out of the ocean today. That is really delicious, man. Dude. That steak. It took a long time to cook. It was thick. It was a thick steak. Real thick. But, man, it's tender.
This is really good.
I like the steak.
Steak is perfect. Mac turned out really good. This was like a really good idea.
Yeah. You know, one of the things we love most about living in Alaska is that weekends like this are possible. One day you're working on your future cabin, and the next you're camping beside a glacial river, cooking fresh halibut over a campfire. We're truly fortunate to call this amazing state home. It's always a little bittersweet packing up camp. Before you know it, you're back at work, wishing you weren't there, wishing you were still out here, already dreaming about the next trip. But this one was definitely worth it. Thank you guys for coming along, and we'll see you on the next adventure. We're getting quicker at this.